Hey, what's going on? It's been a long time, but I am going to attempt to do this content creating thing. So I'm gonna vlog, even though it's pretty much the end of the day, but I decided to vlog that I'm going bowling tonight, so it should be fun. And yeah, hopefully I don't suck. But yeah, I wanted you to come along with me, so yeah, let's see how this goes. I do have some other friends coming along. Hopefully I can get some footage of them if they're comfortable with it. You know, I'm not gonna make anyone uncomfortable. If they are okay with it, then cool. If not, the answer is no. So all right, let's get ready and let's do this. Let's go. I need to go grab something to eat first because I'm hungry. Yeah. Let's grab some food. I'm about to get, oh my goodness, this is loud. All right. Anyway, I'm about to get something to eat first, and that's my car rumbling. But I'm hungry. I'm gonna get some food. I'm in the Chick-fil-A line, waiting to let them know I got a mobile order. So Chick-fil-A lines are always long.
One moment, yes.
Hi.
Hi, welcome, ma'am. May I have your name for the order?
I have a mobile order for Keisha M. Keisha M.
Perfect.
All right. All good.
You also have it.
You too, thanks. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. I don't know where that came from. I'm going around the bend to get my food. Keisha. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Oh, these roads are so bumpy. Got the chicken strips. Some honey mustard. Bruh. It was almost an accident. What is going on? If you're wondering what I'm drinking, it's the pineapple dragon fruit, sweet tea, and lemonade. So it's good. Whew. Very tart. I got Rowan that showed up. Yay.
I think I've been set up.
You think you've been what?
I've been set up.
Ow!
I've been set up.
Oh, party is here.
Yeah, we're just waiting on the crew to get in.
See? I told you, photogenic. Hey! Hey! Golden cheese!
Strike!
There it is. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Right, you're going.
Hey, what's up? This is a few days after the bowling alley. Some of the footage got messed up, and yeah, it happens. I really need to get an actual vlogging camera. I don't have one, so I'm using my phone right now. I tried using my Zoom camera, but the quality is not that great unless I'm in like great lighting. We had a great time bowling, and everyone played well. Everyone had a lot of strikes and was doing a lot of spares, so it was great competition. It was good. It was great. And we're gonna try and do it like once a month or so. So we're gonna do it again. So I'll make sure to get some more footage of the guys and myself, and hopefully I have a better quality camera then. Thanks for your patience, and hope you enjoyed it. Good morning. It's the next day. So I found out that my middle finger and part of my thumb is swollen from bowling last night. I'm okay. It's just I woke up and I was like, why is my so stiff? I couldn't bend it, and then I realized, like, oh, it's swollen. So I grabbed some ice and holding it on there. But I am meeting a friend, Lee, for brunch today at around 11:15. So it is after 10 right now. I need to go get myself together. Just finished up brunch with Lee. Now heading home to take my mom to get some groceries. Like it's going to rain, which we need a little bit of that. It's so hot and humid in South Florida. If you know, you know. Why is everyone like on my tail today? Like, calm down. If I hit my brakes, you're gonna hit me. I need to get a dash cam and everything. I may want to do both the front and the rear, because the way people drive nowadays is insane. I feel like the heat is making people crazier. People are just irritated and angry, upset, just always bothered. All right, so I'm back home. I'm going to just work on a few things on my computer. I'm trying to think of some other things I can post on here on YouTube. So if there's anything you want to see particularly, let me know and I can work on it. But I'm trying to get back into the creating content thing, and it's been a long journey, but I think I'm ready to get back into it. So yeah, let's do it. But yeah, just let me know down in the comments, DM me, whatever. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll do my best to make it happen.